In your last lesson, you learned how to open a presentation. The next step is presenting the products and talking about how they work. In this part of the presentation, you can show or tell people what is unique about Nutrigenomics. Remember, you don't need to be the expert on Nutrigenomics. Let the product video do the heavy lifting. Besides creating a compelling reason to try the products, using the videos also show your prospective distributors that they don't have to be the product and science experts to do this business. This part of the presentation is easy, but again, it's broken into a few parts. Number one, show one of the LifeVantage product videos that best fits your audience. There are several links to appropriate LifeVantage product videos. Number two, ask the basic questions from the group as it relates to the benefits of the LifeVantage products. A, what are your goals? Do you want to improve your health or are you more focused on anti-aging? You could recommend Protandim Nerf 1 and Nerf 2 synergizers. B, is managing your weight an issue that's important for you? Let them know about Physique Smart Weight Management System. C, do you want to increase your mental energy and focus? Suggest Axio Smart Energy. D, do you want to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles? You might explain True Science Smart Beauty. Number three, walk through the LifeVantage products and the benefits of each product. There is a worksheet attached in today's email that lists the LifeVantage product groups and highlights the benefits of each group. Number four, tell them the least expensive way to get the products, as a distributor on monthly subscription. Walk through how to get started with your guests. Watch each of the product video links, make notes about each video, and pick one or two that you can really relate to. Practice the 3 steps in front of a mirror.